Hello, everyone. It's me again, Mr. Samuel, and you're welcome to another exciting ICT class. I believe that in this class, we'll have a nice time together. Today, we are going to be looking at a plugged activity called drawing shapes with loop. I'll go again, drawing different shapes with loops. In our previous class, we looked at the meaning of robots, and I said that any machine that we can control, that can do what we want it to do, is called a robot. We also said that robots get instructions using what is called a program. A program, there are sets of instructions that are given to a robot or a computer to follow. They have been coded into what the computer will do. And when writing these instructions, most of the times, we make mistakes. These mistakes are called bugs. And the process of finding and fixing these bugs, they are called debugging. In this class today, we will look at the meaning of this essential word, loop. We will also look at the block that is used for looping. We will also look at the importance of applying loop in a program. And lastly, as usual, we will have a practical class on drawing shape with loop in our code studio. Make sure your notebook, your biro, and your Android tablet is ready for this class. Now, can you ever imagine that you want your character to move 5 times in the code studio? It is very easy to do that. It's just to drag the move forward block from the toolbox area 5 times and you are done. Now, can you also imagine that you want your robot to move forward 20 to 30 times? From the picture we have on the screen, you see how many times you will have to put a move forward block, which is very demanding. If you want your robot to move much time, it will be so difficult to start applying the same block over and over and over and over again. Will you be able to add up to 15 to 20 more move forward block on a single command? In this lesson, we will be looking at the repeat block, but we will look at what the loop is. Loop means to repeat or to do an action over and over again. Doing something again and again and again is called loop. Like move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. Is looping because you are repeating the same action again and again. Now, there's a block that we can use to loop, and that block is called the repeat block. The repeat block is used to apply loop. It gives a command over and over again. The repeat block do not work on its own. Like we can see, it is attached to the when run. And even when we attach it to the when run, we need another command to be attached inside the repeat block. Like the example we have here, we just have repeat 4 times, do. The repeat block will only tell you, will only apply a loop, but you yourself as a programmer, you will have to fix the command that you want the repeat block to loop. Like, if I'm adding a move forward block to my repeat block, it means I am telling the repeat block that it should move forward 4 times. You see, repeat block do not work on their own. Like we said before, instead of just putting repeat 4 times, you have to add a command to make sure that your repeat block do that command, like repeat 15 times, move forward by 100 pixels. It means that your program or your robot will repeat move forward 15 times. So if you have a bigger program and you want to give a bigger command like move forward 1000 times, instead of you putting move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, all you just need to do is to carry the repeat block and put move forward inside and just put the number of times you want it to repeat. We have so many importance of applying loop, and I know that every one of you also have one or two importance that you would like to tell Mr. Sam. Do not worry, when we are in class, I will hear your own importance. So some of the importance are: the repeat block helps to reduce the size of a program. Yes, instead of putting so many blocks that can be called over and over again, you just put a repeat block and put how many times you want it to be. The repeat block make a program more flexible. That is, it is small and we can easily understand it. Also, it makes it easy to understand a program. We can easily understand a program using the repeat block. Now, when drawing shape with loop, there are some different size measurements I would love to discuss with us. When applying the turn left, if drawing a rectangle, because a rectangle has a shape that is straight when turning left, you use turn left of 90 degrees. If you can notice here, you will find out that the arrow is going straight, turn left at 90 degrees. But if you are drawing something like a triangle, you are turning left at 120 degrees, which is going sideways, slants, like a triangle. If you are going down, you are turning right at 90 degrees, you see, it's going down. So it makes it easier for us to draw shape using loop. We'll also look at a very important block that helps to change the style of our program, and that is called the set color block. The set color block helps to change the style of a shape when we are drawing them. There are so many shapes inside the set color block. All we just have to do is to click on the red color that is here, and we'll see thousands and hundreds of colors. Then we can select from the one we want. We also have the set width block. The set width block helps to either increase or to reduce the size of our line. If you want a thick line, a big line, a faint line, you can use the set width block to adjust, either to reduce or to increase the size of your line. Lastly, we are going to be looking at the drop down arrow. The drop down arrow is always seen in most of our blocks. It is an inverted triangle sign. We can either see it in almost all our blocks. The drop down arrow block helps to give other options inside a block. Like in this block, if I click on the drop down arrow block, I will see other options placed inside this turn left block. So today, we will not just stop here. We'll be going straight into our Code Studio to get a brief practical on drawing shape with loop. Welcome back. This is the Code Studio. And in the Code Studio, like we said, for us to be able to get here, we have to put in our 6-letter code and identify our secret picture. Now, I am here. This is my account in Code Studio. So for what I'm just going to do, I'll click on the subject or the topic that I want to treat on today, which is drawing shape with loop. I will just click on the first number, and we have from number 1 to number 11. So all these numbers are various puzzles that are placed inside of them. So when I click on my puzzle 1, it will open and I will be able to see, and the first puzzle here is a video. This video introduces the artist to the Code Studio. But because of time, we're not going to be watching the video. You can just go home and watch the video. You see, the artist is talking about the measurement, the different sides, and the measures that we have treated before in class. So I'll just click on continue. Okay, this is the first puzzle and it says, "Hi, I'm an artist. You can write code to make me draw almost anything. Play with the block in the toolbox to see what they do." Now they just want us to play with it. So if I click on the move forward block, it means I'm moving forward. Just watch, I'm moving one step forward. Now let me say I want to draw a square. I'm going to turn left. Remember I told us turn left at 90 degrees. We'll move it straight line. So for me to be able to just, instead of me carrying so many blocks, I will just apply my repeat block like I said. And the square has 4 sides. So move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward. So let's just see. Move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left. You see? Instead of me carrying move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, I just applied loop. So it makes our work much more easy. I'll click on finish. Yes. So I will click on continue to go to the next puzzle. Now this is the next puzzle. And it says, "Let's make a cage for my pet monster. Drag blocks onto the screen to have the artist draw over the gray lines in the picture. Each line is 100 pixels long." So first of all, if we look at here, we'll see we're supposed to move forward and move forward, turn right and move forward. So I will just bring it, all of them say that they are 100 pixels. Move forward, turn right, and move forward. So this one we don't need to carry a repeat block because just move forward, turn right, and move forward. And if you look at our workspace block, you see we've applied 4 out of 4. So when I click on, you see, that's very easy. Let's go to the next puzzle. This spaceship needs a window. Each side of the inner square is 100 pixels and all of the angles are 90 degrees. So you see they've already done this for us, which is move forward and turn right. And they want us to do the rest. So it is very easy. You can just also loop and just add this to it, which is move forward and turn right. Well, because the shape is 4 sides, so you see that's why I just put repeat 4 times. I'll click on run. It's as simple as that. I can also do something to this. If you notice, this is the blue color, but what we have here is black. So I can easily carry the set color block the same way we said it before. You can just click and change it to blue. See? So when I press run, you see, yes, this is better. So that is how we can also apply the set color block. Let's go to the next block. Now this one says, "Oh no, Starla's pet alien just flew away. Let's help the space woman finish Starla's rockets so she could chase her pet. Each of the triangle is 100 pixels long and 120 degree outer triangle." So we bring out our repeat block, but let's also carry our set color block. We change the color to the color that you are using. Let's see. Okay. Then I put my repeat block and move forward at 100 pixel. Then I'm turning left at 120 degrees. And how many times am I doing this? I'm doing it 3 times because the triangle has 3 sides. So I'll click on, yay! See? Simple as that. Let's move forward. Alright, this is where we're going to end in today's class. We'll see you in our next class. Bye.